bag stuff and sit next to you. Everybody's
I didn't want to clear it. So
How you doing, man? It's good to see you. I can't wait to get back up there. Different ride. But I can't. Yeah, that's what I understand. I want to worry about it. Yeah, this is our best hope.
Good afternoon. It's great to be here. I'm Steve Lindsay, the commander of 133. I appreciate you guys hanging in there for an extra hour. Al had a few problems with his airplane, had to go back and get another one, so he was a little late getting down here, but we wanted to wait for him to get a chance to talk to you. It's great to be down here. What an exciting week down here with the air show going on for the next 3 days. Really wish we could see that. Unfortunately, we'll be locked in quarantine, so I hope you guys get a chance to go down there and do that. Well, I want to just say a word of thanks to the team here at Kennedy Space Center. As you know, we worked. They had a OMS crossfeed leak going on that they decided. They actually stopped the leak, but decided to replace everything anyway. I think they changed out those seals in record time. Did a good leak check and did a fantastic job. That's courtesy of the Air Force. So now let me hand the mic over to Eric Bowe, my pilot, to say a few words.
I'm Eric Bowe. I'm the pilot, as Steve said, and the F-15 overhead is always good to see. That was one of the airplanes I got to fly in the Air Force. I'd also like to echo what Steve said about thanking the crews, not only at Kennedy, but also thanking all the teams that got us ready for our flight. Excellent flyby going on at the same time as the air show is getting ready to go. And also I'd like to pass on our words to thank the people in Houston, Johnson Space Center, that got us ready to fly, all the teams there at Mission Control Center and the training teams as well. Now I'd like to pass it on to Alvin.
Good afternoon, I'm Alvin Drew, your MS-1, and the reason why you're sticking around late. Decided to take the scenic route here today with a bad jet, but we got to fly over top the orbiter, and it looks like it's a beautiful orbiter ready to go. Thanks to a lot of great preparation, especially from our training team back in Johnson Space Center, who spent a year with us working morning, noon, and night, and sometimes late into the night. And next will be Tim Copra.
Hi everybody, Tim Copra, MS2, and I'll be doing the spacewalks with Al and some robotics. We're just really thankful to be here. It's a beautiful day at Kennedy Space Center, and we're really looking forward to the mission. You know, we had an opportunity to look at the payload bay in our last trip here and look at the payloads that have been prepared that we're going to attach onto space station, and looking forward to the permanent multi-purpose module and getting that attached onto space station, and want to thank all the people that have done such a great job in getting that ready to go for our mission. I'd like to hand it over to Mike Barrett.
Thanks very much. It's great to be back here again. We were able to talk with our friends on the space station this morning, and they have spent a lot of time getting everything ready up there for us. We have a huge collection of hardware up there, and I think we'll exceed 1 million pounds for the first time during our docked mission. And we just want to give a nod to the program office that puts the space station together and runs it. We're really looking forward to getting up there and doing our part to add to it yet again. And we just thank you also to the robotics folks. It's a very complicated mission from the robo standpoint, and we ask a lot of the robotic systems, and there was a lot of preparation in getting that together too. So thanks, and I think we're ready for that. And turn it over to my crewmate, Nicole Stott.
Hello, like everybody has said, it's really great to be back here. This place, I think, brings smiles to all of our faces for sure, and I know on launch day we'll be doing that. As Tim mentioned, we're bringing up some pretty cool stuff. We've got a permanent logistics module that we'll be attaching, and we have the ELC-4, which is basically an external carrier that will have some large spare parts for the station. So we really look forward to being able to put the station in the best possible configuration for future missions. And I'd like to also pass on our thanks to the EVA team who has helped prepare us. I get to be, thanks to them, the boss of Al and Tim while they're out doing the spacewalk, so I really look forward to that. And we look forward to the launch. And thanks to all of you for coming out. We really appreciate your support.
Thanks. Get a group shot? Sure. All right.